sharing how to make these super cute and very easy pumpkin cheese balls. This is the perfect appetizer for fall parties, Halloween, or Thanksgiving. And with just 3 ingredients, it comes together quickly. We're going to start by softening 2 8-ounce packages of cream cheese. This is easiest to stir with very soft cream cheese, so I like to microwave mine for 30 to 40 seconds. Once it's soft, I stir it until it's smooth and creamy. Then I'm going to add in 1 package of ranch seasoning dressing mix and stir that until it's mixed in. For the cheese, I like to use the fancy shredded just so it's a little more finely shredded. You can use cheddar or a variety of cheese, which I like to do. And I'm adding 3 cups of the shredded cheese. Once it's all mixed, I like to throw my cheese mixture in the fridge for about 10 to 20 minutes just to help it firm up a bit so it's easier to shape in the next part. Next, I'm dividing my cheese into 3 mini cheese balls. You can just make 1 big pumpkin cheese ball with this, but I like the way the mini ones look, so I always do that. Once I have the 3 cheese balls shaped, I stick them back in the fridge for a bit again, for about 10 to 20 minutes to firm them up a little more. Next, I like to add a little bit of extra cheese to the outside, just so it's a nice bright orange color. Now I'm going to shape the ball into more of a pumpkin shape. I add an indent in the top for a stem and just press it slightly to make it shorter and rounder. Once that's done, I take a toothpick and start making the indented ridges or pumpkin ribs. I've seen a lot of recipes where people wrap the cheese ball in plastic wrap and then tie strings around it to create the ridges, but I think that just takes too long. I use the toothpick and it works just fine. Then it's time to add the stem. You can use pretzel sticks for this, and the twists are the perfect size for it, or you can use real mini pumpkin stems, which I like to do. Either option will work. And if you use the real stems, it's not a waste because you just created stackable pumpkins for your decor. Then it's time to arrange your cheese platter. I like to put a small piece of wax paper under my cheese balls so they're easy to move around while I'm arranging everything. If you don't want to serve the cheese balls right away, you can refrigerate them in an airtight container until ready to serve. Just be sure to leave them out at room temp for a bit before eating so they can soften a little.